If you have a DOCX file and want to convert it into a PDF using Google Drive, first open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Once Google Drive opens, click the New button on the left side and choose File Upload. Now select the DOCX file from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. After the upload is complete, locate the file in Google Drive and right-click on it. Choose Open With and select Google Docs. Google Drive will automatically convert your DOCX into a Google Docs document so you can view it and edit it online. Take a moment to check the document and make sure everything looks correct, including text, images, tables, spacing, and page layout. Now, to convert the DOCX into a PDF, click File in the top menu, move your mouse over Download, and then select PDF Document .pdf. Google Docs will automatically create a PDF version of your document and download it to your computer. Once the download finishes, open the PDF file to verify that everything appears exactly as you want. You can also make edits in Google Docs and download the PDF again whenever needed. If this video helped you learn how to convert a DOCX file to PDF in Google Drive, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.